Welcome to Study Life. In this session on SHM and waves, we are going to talk about the differential equation for a linear SHM. Okay? So chalo, let's start. We studied in the previous session that if restoring force is directly proportional to minus of x, where x is my value for displacement. I understand that if I decide to remove this proportionality, I will have to introduce a constant, and that constant is k, where k is called as force constant. Okay? Next what? Next step is working on the values of x. If x happens to be my displacement, I understand that my velocity v is nothing but a differentiation of displacement, that is dx by dt. If I decide on to calculate acceleration, what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but a differentiation of velocity, right? So if I differentiate v, what is v? Dx by dt. This becomes equal to d square x by dt square. This is my expression to calculate acceleration, nothing but the double differentiation to force or double differentiation to displacement. According to Newton's second law of motion, if you remember well, Newton's second law of motion says F is equal to m times a, where m is mass and a is acceleration. Can I just substitute acceleration from here over there? This becomes m times of d square x by dt square as equation number 2. Equation number 3. So there is 1 and there is 3. I'll have to just correlate both of them. Have a look at it. The left hand sides of both these values are same, and therefore the right hand sides can easily equate among each other. And I'll get something that looks like this. Minus kx is equal to m times of d square x by dt square. All I have to do is shift this m over here. So this becomes minus k by m, x is equal to d square x by dt square. Next step is moving this thing over to the other side. This becomes d square x by dt square plus k by m times x is equal to 0. Let me just substitute k by m as omega square. This becomes d square x by dt square plus omega square x as 0. What did we substitute? We substituted omega square as k by m. Force constant per unit mass happens to be my value of omega square. This is my differential equation to linear SHM. Here we basically understand that there is going to be a relationship between acceleration and angular velocity together. We're going to work on it in our next session. So until then, stay tuned with Study Life and keep learning with me. Thank you.